Thank you for considering me to help you in your e-commerce business. In the following video, I will discuss process for Shopify accounting that I have been using to do the books for Shopify businesses. So in this screen, I have organized different steps that I do in e-commerce accounting for Shopify businesses. So first, we start with banking setup. We sync the banking feeds, credit cards, the bank accounts, the PayPal if there is any. And then we move to categorizing transactions first, categorizing the expenses, categorizing bank transfers, except for the payouts or settlements deposits. So for payouts and settlements deposits, we usually sync the Shopify sales or the Shopify payouts and then match it to the Shopify deposits that are coming to the bank feeds. After all categorization has been done and the bank register has complete transactions, then we can do the bank reconciliation. So after the bank reconciliation, the banking side is usually almost finished. Here we move to accrual-based accounting. For e-commerce businesses and Shopify businesses, I use accrual-based accounting because it's more accurate for inventory-based businesses. And we usually use A2X integration with QuickBooks. A2X can sync the Shopify sales, payouts, the Shopify fees, Shopify cost of goods sold, and sales tax and other deductions. Chart of accounts for e-commerce. Shopify is an e-commerce business and special type of chart of accounts is needed for e-commerce. We need to break down the sales for Shopify with items like Shopify sales, Shopify discounts, Shopify refunds, Shopify fees, Shopify cost of goods sold, Shopify sales tax, and Shopify shipping, and other things that are being deducted from the payouts. For example, the clearing accounts like Shopify clearing, Shopify PayPal clearing, Shopify installment clearing, and other payment methods like Klarna clearing, or if you use other types of payment methods with your Shopify, you need to separate the clearing accounts. For sales channel income or COGS or expense accounts, if the business has Shopify sales channel and other sales channel, we need to separate the income, the expense accounts, and the cost of goods sold accounts so that the profitability per sales channel can be analyzed accurately. Syncing of Shopify payout. We usually do syncing of Shopify payouts using A2X to QuickBooks Online, and it has worked great since we have started using it on year 2020. We have been using it for more than 4 years now, and it works great with Shopify businesses and other e-commerce channels like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, or Etsy. So after we sync the Shopify payouts, we need to reconcile the payouts to make sure that all payouts have been synchronized to QuickBooks Online. All amounts are tallying with the reports from Shopify and the amount that is being recorded in QuickBooks Online. So we do reconciliation of payouts for Shopify and other e-commerce channels. Syncing of cost of goods sold. A2X can also sync the cost of goods sold. Just supply the SKU and the unit cost, and A2X can calculate the cost of goods sold on a per payout basis. Inventory accounting. One of the things that is involved with e-commerce businesses is inventory accounting. So we use accrual-based accounting for inventory. And when you buy inventory, we will put it on inventory asset. And so when the inventory is sold, we put it on the cost of goods sold, and then we get the ending inventory monthly basis. And so you will have an accurate inventory on the balance sheet every month. After all has been done on the banking side, Shopify payouts and sales, and then cost of goods sold and inventory has been taken care of, it's time to generate the reports and analyze financials of the business. So the last part, we will do financial review, and based on the trends, on the issues and problems that I see on the financials, I also make recommendations on how to better understand it and some solution that can help the business owner solve financial challenges that I have seen on the financial. And this concludes the process for Shopify accounting for Shopify businesses. All other sales channels have similarities in the process. This one is specific for Shopify business.